Pst Kanyari uria niwe wari muthuri wa Betty Bayo no ni macokire magitigana no ni mari na ciana igiri kahii na kairitu ni arakorirwo akirekereria mbica aihuritwo ni gikeno kiingi muno photos of him spending time with his two kids na ararekereirie mbica ici kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria and in the photos you can see it's him and his kids spending time together makirianira hamwe na ona ciana onacio cihuritwo ni gikeno kinene muno. Pst Kanyari shared these photos on his Facebook page with a caption that read "Shikamo," and he shared this photo first of him and his son na aracoka araciye ngiru mari othe ke kahii na kairitu gake having a wonderful time together na ni undu uratigire mafans ake muno makenete kuona Pst Kanyari spending time with his kids despite gukorwo ati ni matiganire na Betty Bayo na Betty Bayo no ikoragwo na ciana ici no ikara na ciana ici but now Pst Kanyari had taken the kids out on a date, spending time with them na ni undu urakenirie mafans ake muno. His followers too ona ni marakenereire undu uyu muno kuona Pst Kanyari spending time with his kids na marakorwo makimutugiria ni kuona ati despite gukorwo ati he's no longer with Betty Bayo, he's still spending time with the kids even after the divorce. Emily akiuga, "I really love those men who don't forget their kids after divorce. May God bless them always. Stella Kamau, enjoy." Onake Catherine Jerry, enjoy and be safe. Mundu ungi nake uremetwo kuhitha ikeno giake ni Samido na ni thutha wa channel yake YouTube channel yake gukorwo igicoka it had been hacked na raugaga ati it has been a very hectic week for him and his team no ni maracokire gukorwo makiretrieve channel yake. It is now back in their hands na arakorwo akiashua mafans ake ati they stay tuned mathio na mbere ku enjoy his music on his channel no na nginya Karen Nyamu arakenerera ndeto icio muno akiuga, "What job bless no man curse, insert my Jamaican accent." Aikenerera ndumiriri ati Samido's YouTube channel is back na ndukariganirwo gu subscribe, never miss an update on your favorite Kikuyu celebrities.